Hello children, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to practice exercise part of Model of the Earth. Children, choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. First one, we know that the Earth is dash moving. Answer is constantly. Second one, a model of the Earth is called dash. Answer is globe. Third one, maps that shows the location of the cities, towns and countries are called dash maps. Answer, political. Fourth, latitudes and longitudes are dash lines. Answer, imaginary. Children, write true or false. First one, a globe does not rotate on its rod. It is false statement. Second one, it is difficult to carry a globe. It is true. Third one, we can see mountains, hills and rivers on physical maps. Yes, it is true. Fourth one, we can locate any place on the earth with the help of the latitudes and longitudes. Yes, it is true. Fifth, longitudes makes the earth look like segments of banana. It is a false statement. Children, answer in one word. First one, these lines makes the earth look like segments of orange. Yes, answer is longitudes. This is a book of maps. Answer is atlas. Third one, this is a model of the earth. Answer is globe. Fourth, these lines are like rings around the earth. Answer is latitudes. Fifth one, this is a simple picture of the earth. Answer is map. Children, answer these questions. First one, what is a globe? Answer, a globe is the exact replica of the earth with the details like countries, cities and latitudes and longitudes mentioned on its surface. Second one, why do we need maps? Answer, we need maps in order to study about the different locations of the earth. What is the difference between a globe and a map? Answer, a globe is a model of the earth and it is difficult to carry, whereas a map is a picture of the earth and it can be easy to carry. Fourth, what are longitudes? Answer, imaginary lines drawn on Earth's surface from North Pole to South Pole are called longitudes. Fifth one, how does the latitudes and longitudes look like on the surface of the earth? Answer, latitudes and longitudes look like net on the surface of the earth. I hope you liked the video. For more educational videos, please visit the channel and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.